see the video over here also, right? But before that, we will see yesterday we were discussing about the fluid friction. So note it down, what is fluid friction or friction due to water. Write down friction due to water. We had discussed कि जो friction है that is due to the water as well as air. ठीक है? But in case of the water and air, friction is less as compared to the solids. As compared to the solid, friction is less. As all of you know, if we are walking, so are we experience the air pressure? Are we experiencing? No, because it is very less. The friction is very less. Air friction is very less. But sometime when the wind is blowing, yeah, might be very fast wind is blowing. At that time we feel कि air जो है that exerts pressure on us. है ना? या हम साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं और हवा बहुत जोर से चल रही है, तब हमारी पैडलिंग स्लो हो जाती है. That means we are feeling the pressure exerted by air. But daily routine में if we will see, so it is very less. In the same way, friction due to water is very less as compared to the solid. ठीक है? Here you can write down one question. When a person swim, अगर एक person swim कर रहा है, ठीक है, swims in water, the water exert pressure या the water opposes कर लो. When a person swim, the water exert या water opposes his motion. Why? What is the answer of this question? Why water opposes? Due to the fluid friction. The special term, the name given to the fluid friction is called, yesterday we discussed, a term that is given or the pressure exerted by, yes, drag. Drag is the special name or the term given to the fluid friction. When a person swims in water, the water opposes his motion. क्यों करता है? Due to the friction. Because एक person आगे की तरफ एक force लगा रहा है अपने आप को करने के लिए और उसको friction force कर रही है जो उसको भी पीछे की तरफ करेगी. Right? So write down the answer. इसका आंसर लिख लो. It is because water exerts force of friction. It is because water exerts force of friction. Here, this is the reason. यही एक reason है कि aquatic animals, you can say vehicles, या आप कह लो जितने भी water bodies हैं, like उसमें जो vehicles चलते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, submarine and all that, they all are having the streamlined body. They all are having the streamlined body, a special body to oppose the frictional force. Is it clear that fishes, they are having the streamlined body, that's why they can easily swim in the water. because they opposes the force of friction. तो जो भी पानी में है, they God or nature had given, या हम जब बनाते हैं तो we make it a streamlined body. Ships, all the ships, all these things, these are having the streamlined body so that they can cut the frictional force. Clear है सबको? Any doubt to anyone? ठीक है, आगे लिखो friction due to air. Yes, Raghbir, unmute yourself.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन का एक बार आंसर रिपीट कर दो.
क्या कह रहे हो?
मैम ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर रिपीट कर दो.
Example repeat. Example you can say aquatic animals. Write down aquatic animals. They are having a special body that is streamlined shape. That is streamlined shape to oppose oppose force of friction, to oppose force of friction या frictional force. Now the next topic is friction due to air. Write down friction due to air. You can write down here the friction of air is very small. Very small. मतलब it exert very small friction. ठीक है? Very small in air. Right बच्चे? We are not able to experience the air friction in our daily routine. अगर मैंने अभी आपको बताया, अभी even we are sitting, मतलब either in the school or at home, है ना? Are we experiencing कि हमें जो air है वो धक्का मार रही है? No, because it's a negligible. It's negligible. अगर आप लोग खुद को देखो तो we are not experience the air exerts pressure on us, but air exerts pressure on us. Even in the 7th class we had read, or the 6th class की mountaineers need the oxygen cylinder. हमने ये पढ़ा हुआ है कहीं पे कि mountaineers need oxygen cylinder. Why they need oxygen cylinder? Because ऊपर जैसे वो altitudes में जाते हैं वहाँ पे air क्या करती है? Exert pressure, है ना? So that means यहाँ पे we are not experienced because air exert very less pressure. ठीक है? ऑल्टीट्यूड में एयर जो वहां प्रेशर है वो लो हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से हम लोगों का बॉडी का जो प्रेशर है वो एकदम एक्सर्ट बाहर करता है तो ब्लीडिंग होती है ना? मींस हम एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करके बैठे. लाइक अगर अभी की हम बात करें, हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं या बच्चे आप लोग घर पे हो, तो वी आर नॉट एक्सपीरियंसिंग एयर प्रेशर. दैट्स व्हाई द नोज ब्लीडिंग इज नॉट अफेक्ट. ठीक है? नोज ब्लीडिंग कब होती है? हमें जब हमारा प्रेशर या बाहर का प्रेशर दोनों में डिफरेंस हो जाता है. जो हमारा बॉडी प्रेशर है इक्वल रहता है एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर के, मतलब बैलेंस बना के रखते. जब हम हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड्स में जाते हैं वहां पे क्या होता है? प्रेशर ऊपर का लो हो जाता है क्योंकि वहां एयर कम है. राइट? हमारी बॉडी का प्रेशर ज्यादा हो गया. ठीक है? तो वो क्या करता है? ब्लड वेसल्स को धक्का मारता है जिससे हमें नोज ब्लीडिंग होती है. लेकिन इन डेली रूटीन हम अब यहाँ पे प्लेन्स में है, वी आर नॉट एक्सपीरियंसिंग एयर प्रेशर. ठीक है? इट इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. ठीक है? अब अगर हम देखें कि हाउ यू एक्सपीरियंस द एयर फ्रिक्शन, या हम बात करें इनमें भी हमारे पास क्या है, मैं एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ. राइट डाउन फर्स्ट बर्ड्स. बर्ड्स हैव स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी. Birds have streamlined body so that they experience least friction. मैं इस एग्जांपल को भी क्लियर करती हूँ. I will tell you one another example. Least friction. ठीक है? That's why birds are able to fly in the sky. Now, if I am saying, अगर इसके साथ एक और एग्जांपल अगर हम देखें तो that is the bodies of, you can say, aeroplane. Bodies of aeroplane and bullet train. Bullet train, all of you know, है ना? Have streamlined shape. They are also having the streamlined shape. अब इसको आप लोगों ने कहाँ एक्सपीरियंस करा? आप लोगों को कैसे पता? हमने कल्पना चावला का केस, all of you are aware what happened to her? जब वो अर्थ पे आ रहे थे तो उनका क्या हो गया था? क्रैश हो गया था. हाउ? व्हाट इज द रीजन? ड्यू टू द फायर. जो भी है ना, वो फायर कैसे है, वो कैसे है? इवन इन द सोशल यू आल्सो रेड अबाउट the meteors and meteorites. When they enter into the earth's surface they burn. Shooting star. How shooting star? Why shooting star occur? Why they burned? Again the same phenomena when they are entering, ठीक है, into the atmosphere, and if they are having a high speed, ठीक है, तो it will produce a friction. Air जो है that will oppose, वो नीचे आएगा, air oppose करेगी, friction produce होगी. If the speed is very maximum or high, तो वहां पे क्या होगा? Heat produce हो जाएगी. जब आप दो चीजों को बहुत जोर से रब करते हो तो फायर प्रोड्यूस होती है, ठीक है. तो वो जब इतनी मेटेओराइड्स अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, when they entering into the earth surface, तो उनकी स्पीड जो है that is maximum, and if they are having the maximum speed, and when they enter, air exert pressure on it, friction on it, है ना. due to the frictional force of air, opposing force of जो है air की, it produces heat, जिसकी वजह से वो बर्न कर जाता है. जो कल्पना चावला के केस में भी हुआ, वहां पे क्या हुआ कि उसकी स्पीड एकदम से थी और नीचे जब एंटर करा तो एयर ने क्या करा, प्रेशर एक्सर्ट, ठीक है. ड्यू टू दैट वन एक फ्रिक्शन जो है वो प्रोड्यूस हुआ, हीट प्रोड्यूस हुई, एंड दैट इज द क्रैश. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ये क्रैशिंग क्यों है? क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर एंटरिंग इनटू द अर्थ्स एटमॉस्फेयर, जब हम अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेयर में एंटर करते हैं, ठीक है, एटमॉस्फेयर एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड, तो वो बर्न कर जाते हैं बिकॉज फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द मीटियोर्स एंड द अर्थ सरफेस. और वही चीज आपको यहाँ पे क्लियर है? बेटे किसी को क्लियर ना हो, अर्जुन क्लियर? Definitely when you are flying kites, so exert air pressure is definitely there. You also observe कि when air is very less, then you have to apply a more force on it. आपकी बाजू थक जाती है. But when the wind is blowing, air का जो pressure है वो क्या होता है? Kite is moving in that direction, ना? ठीक है जी. Now I am sharing the video. Have a look.
Does friction exist only between solid parts? Not necessarily.
Just have a look.
Friction is offered by fluids like air and water as well. And this force of friction due to fluids is referred to as a fluid friction. The friction we see between solid parts is referred to as dry friction. The major states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. And liquids and gases are generally referred to as fluids. Why are liquids and gases considered to be fluids? One common characteristic of fluids is that they have no fixed shape and can be easily deformed. Let's discuss a bit more about fluid friction in this lesson. Just like solids, fluids too exert a force of friction when objects move through them. Do you think air offers resistance? Doesn't seem intuitive, right? When I drop a stone from a particular height, it falls to the ground. Does air offer resistance here? Of course it does. What about water? Does it offer resistance? Yes. When the fish swim, they encounter fluid resistance from the water. The frictional force exerted by fluids is also referred to as drag. What does fluid friction depend on? Let's talk about the first obvious factor. It's the nature of the fluid. To understand this point, you just need to answer a simple question. An object moves from point A to B through air, and in the second case, a similar object travels from A to B through water. Which object do you think encounters more resistance? Clearly, it will be the water, right? Yes, more the thickness of the fluid, greater will be the frictional force acting on it.
Is this point clear? Why they are saying कि अगर हमने बात करें कि solids they are having the more friction as compared to liquids and as compared to the gases, है ना? अब they told या they asked कि from A to B in water or A to B in case of the gases, which one is move faster? Definitely gases वाला जो है वहाँ पे कम friction force होगी, मतलब that can easily move because of the thickness, because of the presence of the particles. Because in air particles are very loosely packed, and in case of the water particles are closely as compared to the gaseous. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास फ्रिक्शन जो है वो कम है, यहाँ पे फ्रिक्शन जो है वो ज्यादा है। तो दैट मींस थिकनेस, थिकनेस मींस फ्लूइड फ्रिक्शन की जितना थिक है, थिक मींस मॉलिक्यूल्स, थिक मींस मॉलिक्यूल्स, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट इज द थिकनेस दे आर थिकिंग है। ठीक है, इन केस ऑफ द सॉलिड वेरी मच लाइक पार्टिकल्स आर वेरी क्लोजली पैक्ड। देखो
an object which moves through it. There's a term which describes a fluid's resistance to flow. It's called viscosity. So here we can say that the water is more viscous than air. Higher the viscosity, more will be the resistance offered by that fluid.
पार्टिकल्स की बात है, ठीक है।
Honey is more viscous than water, which is why it offers more friction than.
Now they had taken example honey as compared to water. Honey ज्यादा गाढ़ा होता है, ठीक है, viscosity you can say in terms of the thickness के term में ले सकते हैं। तो honey की viscosity ज्यादा है as compared to water, ठीक है, तो वहां पे friction ज्यादा होगा as compared to water. Means the particles जो जितने पास है वहां पे friction जो है that will be more, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि irregularities on the मतलब surfaces क्या है। अगर हम सॉलिड को एल्मीरा को कबर्ड को धक्का मारेंगे बिल्कुल वी विल पुश, तो वहां पे क्या है, टू सॉलिड सरफेसेस के बीच में है, मतलब जो नेचर ऑफ द सरफेस है दोनों सॉलिड्स हैं, दोनों के बीच में हिल्स एंड ग्रोव्स हैं, वैलीज हैं, तो दे विल एक्सर्ट मोर प्रेशर। ठीक है, ये देखो
Water. That was the first factor affecting fluid friction, the nature of the fluid. Can you think of any other factor? Another factor is the speed with which the object is traveling. Higher the speed of the object moving through a fluid, greater will be the frictional force acting on it.
this is the
A
example.
vehicle traveling at 100 miles.
Higher the speed, more the fluid friction. Note these points beta, thickness, more fluid friction, speed, more fluid friction. जितनी स्पीड, इसीलिए मैंने आपको बताया meteors and meteorites. अगर हम कल्पना चावला वाले केस में if we are talking in that case also meteors and meteorites they burn, ठीक है, meteors क्यों burn करते हैं, because of the high speed. When there is a high speed there is a more friction, there is a more friction. Note कर लो ये साथ, ये देखो
Miles per hour will face more drag of air as compared to a similar vehicle traveling at 50 miles per hour.
सॉरी बीच में फिर रोका। अच्छा, बॉयज मोस्टली बॉयज दे यूज्ड टू डू व्हेन वी आर रनिंग अ व्हीकल एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड वी एक्सर्ट द एयर प्रेशर, लगता है हमें, है ना, और जब बहुत तेज से कोई व्हीकल ड्रैग कर रहा है तो एक शू की आवाज आती है, दैट इज व्हाट whistling is there, why, because of the friction, ठीक है, because of the air friction, fluid friction.
Apart from the nature of the fluid and the speed with which the object is traveling, is there any other factor on which fluid friction depends on? Yes, it also depends on the shape of the object. And it's really important that we understand this factor well. Have you ever thought about why aeroplanes are shaped like this? It could just have been a rectangular box flying in the air. How have the fish evolved to be shaped like this? Why are the ships designed to be given this shape? There's a reason for all this. They're given a streamlined shape to minimize the fluid friction. The shape of the aeroplane, if you notice, is like that of a bird. This process of giving an object a particular shape to decrease the fluid friction is known as streamlining. Streamlining the object can greatly reduce the resistance offered by the fluid. A car faces lesser friction from air as it has a streamlined shape. A bus, on the other hand, will face more air friction as it doesn't have a streamlined shape. So these were the different factors on which fluid friction depends. Nature of the fluid, the speed of the object flowing through the fluid, and the shape of the object.
I hope it's clear to everyone. Then yes, those who are at home, it's clear the chain to everyone. That is the fluid friction. If you notice, जो cars होती है, racing cars, they are also having a special body, है ना? क्यों? अगेन द क्वेश्चन सेम आंसर इम्प्लाई होगा क्या? ठीक है, इफ यू नोटिस एज आई एम सेइंग, इफ यू नोटिस दैट द जो रेसिंग कार्स है दे आर हैविंग अ स्पेशल शेप, लाइक द स्ट्रीमलाइन शेप बॉडी होती है, बिकॉज दे हैव टू मूव एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड, है ना? तो फॉर द हाई स्पीड व्हेन दे विल मूव एट अ हाई स्पीड, दैट मींस द फ्लूइड फ्रिक्शन विल बी मोर, ज्यादा होगा, लेकिन उनको प्रॉब्लम ना हो, इससे उनकी बॉडी कैसी बनी होती है कार्स की? स्ट्रीमलाइन, सो दैट जो फ्रिक्शनल है या एयर फ्रिक्शन है जो फोर्स या एक्सर्ट कर रही है वो उन पे कम। You can see the bodies of these things. Is it clear, bete, to everyone? Any doubt?